The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra continues to improve. As we wait for Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra to be released, leaks and rumors have inundated the tech world, providing us with a glimpse into the device's possible hardware and software capabilities. On the S24, Samsung promises a package of AI technologies that will alter how we interact with our devices. We showed some of those AI elements in the previous video, and today we have several more. But first, take a look at this updated rendering of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The front camera cutout has shrunk, as have the bezels. The phone is much smaller now all around, giving it a truly cool appearance. A screen protector for the whole S24 series has also been leaked, exhibiting incredibly thin bezels. In terms of AI features, we saw in the previous video that the S24 lineup would offer AI-powered real-time translation for calls and messaging, which is positioned to break down language boundaries and make communication fluid and accessible on a worldwide scale. Another intriguing AI feature on the S24 range is the ability to evaluate users' commonly used apps and usage patterns, proactively presenting results to simplify hard tasks. He is essentially suggesting that the Galaxy S24 employs artificial intelligence, AI, to learn about how you use your phone and your daily habits. It examines the apps you frequently use as well as your habits. With this knowledge, the phone can automatically perform clever things like becoming your travel helper. If you're traveling somewhere, the phone can calculate how long it will take you to get there and provide weather and traffic updates along the route. It can also recommend apps that you might need for your vacation. Second, the S24 may help you with your work by writing emails for you. If you tell the phone to send you an email, it will figure out the best way to write it based on what you usually say and send it to you. Simply put, the Galaxy S24 attempts to make your life easier by learning about you and using that knowledge to assist you with tasks without requiring you to ask each time. Talk about effectiveness. And that's not all. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 range will have several other AI features seamlessly incorporated into the One UI 6.1 across various functionalities. Returning to the previously mentioned AI Live Translate call, several of you asked in my recent video whether it is exclusive to the S24 or if Samsung intends to extend it to current devices such as the S23 Ultra. The answer, according to Revenus, a reputable source, is that Samsung aims to provide this capability to previous Samsung phones as well, which is fantastic news. Now, click here to discover what other great generative AI features the S24 Ultra has, and I'll see you there.